Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions of the Urbanista Paris True Wireless Earphones. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. Right then, Urbanista very kindly have sent us a set of Paris wireless earbuds. They're very nicely packaged. In this case, they're in a colour defined as Fluffy Cloud. And we're looking forward to putting these earbuds through their paces whilst we travel in Asia over the next few weeks. The full review will be coming soon. But for now, let's have a look at the packaging. There's a nice little magnetic close on the box. On the inside, very strong Urbanista branding. You'll see the plastic shows you the product in the forefront. There's the Urbanista earbuds, wireless earbuds, and the charging case. And the packaging is made out of mostly cardboard, but there's this bit of recyclable plastic. All good there. So let's have a look at the wireless earbuds. These are Bluetooth wireless earbuds. They'll work with any Android or iOS device. They have obviously the ear noise isolating plugs here, the earbuds, and they're made out of a nice textured hardish plastic. So it's not super soft, but it's textured hard plastic, and this is a silicone earbud tip. You'll see there is space for air to go in and out. This should help with pressurization on aircraft. And there is pogo pins on the extension bits. This is where they go into the case to charge. And the case itself, which we think is one of the highlights of this product, the case itself is nice and white. It has the Urbanista logo embossed on it. A nice easy open case, unlike other ones we've unboxed recently. And it fits snugly at a slight angle. You can just see that at a slight angle. They fit snugly in the box and will charge from there. So the case is also a power bank, a charger for the earbuds, and you charge the case itself with our favorite format, USB Type-C. Yes, that is the same USB Type-C that charges all modern smartphones that are not Apple ones, and iPads and laptops. So potentially you could go on vacation, or you could go on a trip with just the one charger for your iPad, your smartphone, and tablet, and maybe even your laptop. And that one charger will do all devices. So well done to Urbanista in including this. In the rest of the packaging, apart from the earbuds themselves, you have a USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable. It's a Type-A to Type-C. There are some spare earbuds in different sizes so that you can pick the one that's most suitable for your ear shape and size, and an instruction booklet. This is one of the better instruction booklets we've seen for this type of product. With strong Urbanista branding, good imagery, it's a nice well-packaged product. So what I'm going to do is charge the Urbanista Paris True Wireless earbuds and get back to you in a few minutes with my first impressions. Okay then, I'm back. I've synchronized these with my Huawei P30 Pro and was watching a bit of YouTube. I was actually watching an All About Android episode. I was listening to some music on Google Play Music, and a podcast on Pocket Cast. The sound is really, really good. It's got nice depth to it. It performs well with voice and music, and with background noise. If you're watching, say, a Tech Travel Geeks video with some music in the background, the earphones have a good sound range and seem to perform very well in my view. We haven't tried these on a plane yet, but we will be later today. And we'll have a full review on our website, on the techtravelgeeks.com website. and you'll probably see us wearing these at some point over the next few videos, as we think these are going to be our new favourite travel earphones. We'll have to put them through their tests first, and then we'll let you know. But for now, thank you for watching this unboxing and first impressions of the Urbanista Paris true wireless earphones. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.